Hello students, welcome to class 8. Let's continue with our parts of speech and the fifth parts of speech, adverbs. Now first of all we will understand the meaning of the adverbs. That what is an adverb? An adverb is a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb. An adverb is a word that adds something in the meaning of a verb. An adjective, meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. It is a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb, adjective and other adjective. Another adverb. See the examples here. He was talking loudly. He was talking. But how he was talking? Loudly. It adds the meaning of a verb. Now here was talking is a verb and loudly is an adverb. It adds the something to the meaning of a verb. He was talking, but how he was talking? Loudly. So loudly is an adverb. Okay, now see the second sentence. We ate a very heavy lunch. Here heavy lunch. Heavy is an adjective. But very heavy lunch. Here very is an adverb. Heavy is adjective. Right? So this word adds something to the meaning of an adjective. In the second sentence, it adds something in the meaning of an adjective. That he ate a very heavy lunch. He ate a heavy lunch, but very heavy lunch. So heavy is an adjective and very is an adverb. He can run quite fast. He can run quite fast. Here are two adverbs. The adverb is a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb, that we can see in the first sentence, meaning of a verb. An adjective. In the second sentence, you also see the meaning of an adjective. And in the third sentence, it adds something to the meaning of another adverb. Already one adverb is given and adds something in the meaning of another adverb. Both are the adverb, right? So what is an adverb? It is a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb, to the meaning of an adjective and to the meaning of another adverb. Now there are kinds of adverbs. Now first kind is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner means how the action is done. Adverb of manner indicates how the action is done. For example, carefully, happily, we live happily together, merrily, right? These words indicate how words indicate the adverb of manners. Now, for example, he can beat any runner in the Indian team easily. Now, easily also the adverb of manner. Now second, adverb of place. Adverb of place means where the action is done. Where the action is done. Now here, there, yonder, etc. are the examples of adverb of place. It's like he lives in city. Where does he live? He lives in a city. It indicates the adverb of place. Where does he live? Okay. Now he was rushed to the hospital. Where was he rushed? To the hospital. It indicates the adverb of place, that where the action is done. Now adverb of time. Adverb of time indicates when the action is done. Now today, yesterday, now, then are the words, suggestive words for the adverb of time. As tomorrow he will leave for Dubai. Tomorrow he will leave for Dubai. When will he leave for Dubai? Tomorrow. Now this, today, yesterday, now and then, tomorrow, right? It indicates the adverb of time, that when the action is done. Now adverb of degree. Adverb of degree, how much? Now completely, totally, extremely are the suggestive words for adverb of degree. As she nearly lost her possessions. Here nearly is indicate the adverb of degree. Now she is absolutely helpless in dealing with her son. Now here absolutely is also indicate the adverb of degree, that how much the action is done. Now the next is adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency, there are some suggestive words for adverb of frequency, that after, before, seldom, never, ever, usually, and etc. Now adverb of frequency, in these words of adverb of frequency are placed after the auxiliary verbs. Which are the auxiliary verbs? Is, am, are, was, were, has, have, right? They are placed after the auxiliary verb and before the main verb. It placed after the auxiliary verbs and before the main verb. See the example here. He is often late. Here is the auxiliary verb and adverb of frequency is written after this auxiliary verb. After auxiliary verb. She always comes late. And in the second sentence, always is adverb of frequency and it is written before verb, right? Before the main verb. Okay. Now I hope you understood the topic adverbs and kinds of adverbs. Now we will continue with the parts of speech in the next session. Thank you. And write all the points from this video in your notebook with neat and clean handwriting. Again, thank you.